This is a Lego minifigure vending machine. It's part of the DS sets with 1,343 pieces. It has a total of 16 minifigures. Some of them have really cool detail like this guy. And he is the creator of the set. Lego honor him by creating his own minifigure. How fun. Let's go ahead and open it. Here's your manual. We have finally organized all of the bags, the instruction manual, and the 2 paper bags. There's a total of 11 of them. Slide. You get your coin, push it in, you drop this, and voila. You get a total of 8 of these cool clear pieces.